friends, I'm gonna teach you how to make the Lightning McQueen set race. So let me show you how to make it now. So these are the things that you need to replace the Lightning McQueen set. First, you got to put this thing. You got to put this track over here. Then put these curves. But actually, you got to keep them straight without any holes like these. So this is actually hard to fit it. Now I finished the first track. Now I'm going to make the next track. Now I finished this track. I'm going to make one straight track now. Now I finished this track. I'm going to fit the next track. And this is the last track you need. Then you can drive the cars on. This part is done. Just the last part to do, and then we could race and see. And I'll show you how to race them. This is done the track now. Now we are gonna race. These are the remotes to play these. You can press them like this. There are two of them, and there are two cars to race. This is Lightning McQueen, and this is Jasmine Storm. And actually, this piece is getting out. So the pieces are done. There are actually two more pieces, but this is not how you actually make the piece. It needs to be an 8 like this. But actually I made it like a 0 because I will need some help. I don't need some help to do. So I'm making a 0. Now you got to put these remote things on, and just don't forget to put these things forward, and this one forward, and also that one. This one backward, that one backward. And I also got to check the other car if it is moving. This is great. This is great. I kind of followed Jasmine Storm. Now I'll show you how it will work. And I forgot to put the next piece on. We could now I'm gonna show you how to race it. And actually we need to put these remotes under this track. Like this. And also the other remote. And I'll show you how they run. Now, time for driving. Oh, I'm moving it backwards. Sorry, I kind of put the cars on the wrong way to move. Now we are gonna make a race. Now I don't know who's gonna win. After 10 rounds, we are actually gonna give up a 10 trophy. So, ready, steady, go! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jasmine win! Oh. Jasmine win. Now Jasmine get a gold trophy and McQueen gets a silver trophy. My episode is done. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.